Good morning all, how are you all? So I am a representative from Canopus Institute. So first of all, I like to thank the management to give me this opportunity to represent my institute in front of you. So as I am from Canopus Institute of English Language. English language is a very important word if you think about that. As you guys are studying in this school, you will definitely face the faculty. If you are taking English lecture, there is a word or there is a sentence that teachers speak in different accent or different word. You will find hard to understand that. But if you don't know about that accent, but maybe that's a American accent, British accent. So you have to learn first to know that word. So here I am to solve that problem. And if you go for interview, mostly interviews are nowadays taken in English language. And if a person asks you in English language and you answer him in Hindi language, so he will definitely down your look, as there is a phrase called first expression is the last impression. So it is very important. You should think about that, and you should learn English, because English is future nowadays, and it will definitely become so important in future as well. So I am here to represent and help you with that problem. So first I will tell about my institute. It's a Canopus Institute. We have a good reviews in Google. You will definitely Google it, and we have a YouTube channel which has more than 3K subscribers. And next I tell about the teacher. He's a very Mr. Shamshad. He's a #1 speaker in Delhi, and right now he's more than 15 or 1600 students which learn English very well. He's also a very motivating person and a teacher. You don't have to think about just you have to learn English from him. He will definitely work on your life. You will definitely share your problems with him. He will definitely help you with that also. So first of all, I tell you about the curriculum. We complete English to basic to advanced grammar. Then after that we have speaking activities. Speaking activities we include English speaking, public speaking, and role plays, prompto, and we also work on your fear removal, hesitation removal, and we build your confidence. There is a phase called English comes by speaking. We done lots of speaking activities to improve your English. We also work on your health. If you want to play, he will definitely
Canopus will provide you the
activities,
facilities.
And definitely he will also work on your different phases of life if you share any problem with him. So next I will tell about why our institute is better than from others. We do personality development as well, which if you go for the single this course, it will charge you approx 20K something, which is very high. We include this activity in our curriculum because it is our responsibility to improve yourself in English and any aspect of your life. So yeah, and we also we also work on your accent and tonality. If you want to learn American accent, British accent, we also work on that. And we also provide different activities called prompto, panel talks, which most of the institute don't do because it charges more than 20K something. So we also include in this course as well. So this is our course, and next I'll tell about our second course, which is computer course. Computer course is very important nowadays because computer is mostly used in every field nowadays. As you think, Canopus will provide you in just less amount. We'll cover basic to advanced computer, Tally, advanced Excel, and graphic designing as well. So it's a 5 months course, and English course is also 5 months. So it will charge you around 5 to 8K or something. And if you reach us, I will definitely there, and I will definitely provide you the max discount I can share you. And we have a limited seats, and we are starting our batch soon. and definitely if you learn in this early age, you will definitely peak or ace in your future. It will definitely provide you respect, and always people will show you with a, it will definitely also improve your personality, which is very important. Now I tell about my class environment. As I tell about Mr. Shamshad, he's a very good person. If you think about, if you want to, he has a very good sense of humor. If you want a funny class, a serious class, he will definitely adjust the environment with your mood. If you don't want to study in any day, he will definitely play with you and play some games with you. And the environment is very friendly with the students because we work for you, by you, and with you. So definitely it's a great opportunity to all of you to come and join us. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can ask me.
Okay, where it is situated again?
It is situated in Lakshmi Nagar, in front of metro station, and you will definitely reach us by Google Maps. We have a good rating there also.
Nice.
Anyone?
We can provide membership card.
Yes, yeah, of course. I forgot about that. We also provide membership card if you work on your public speaking. If you work on your public speaking, you can speak in public and improve your activities. We've done many activities on weekends. So if you participate in them, we will definitely provide you a free membership card in which you can access our course in lifetime. If you ever thought that I'm just forgetting something in English, so you will definitely come and join us.
Any question?
Any question?
What is the special in your campus institute?
Speak loudly.
What is the special activity in your campus institute?
We have panel talks, we have extempore, and we have pronto. These are the three activities which are closing talks and group discussion, one-to-one talks. We done every activity, as most of the institutes say we do these activities, but they don't mostly do. They only come and they will teach you English and they don't think about the activities. But we assure that in weekends we do every activity for the students because it is always important for you to improve your personality and always important for your English speaking.
Leander.
Okay,
First
sir.
question.
You are a student of Canopus Institute.
No, I'm a representative. I'm from Canopus Institute. I'm here to represent my institute.
Okay, then suppose I don't have a woman who help me by money, then I can take admissions in less amount.
Yes, I will definitely be there, and you can also take demo classes. We will provide 2 days free demo classes for the students. And if you're facing any money issue, I will definitely assure you I will provide you as much discount I can.
What does it mean about campus? What is campus? I want to know what does it mean.
Yeah, of course.
Campus.
So Canopus means it's a star, which is most brightest in the galaxy, and we are shining as we have institute have completed 1.5 year on about 2 years. We have grown with a very significant speed and very good speed. We have teach many students.
We have taught.
Sorry.
We have taught.
We have taught more than 1,500 students, and they always praise us. And you can also see our reviews, as we don't promote, as there's a phrase called sir, deceptive वाला एक phrase था जो कल आपने लिखवाया था.
Appearance is always deceptive.
Appearance is always deceptive. We don't fool you. We don't have we have a sofa on our reception. We just provide you English, and we will always assure you that if you are coming here to speak English, we have a work on that, and we will definitely focus on your speaking skills instead of providing you that much of facility. We provide on your English language.
You have a seat. Thank you. अरे ताली बजाओ इधर